It's interesting. Like just sitting out here in the middle of St. Louis in an antique mall area. But gosh, one of this stuff is for sale. It's so cool. I love this thing. Yeah, it's for sale. It's got a price tag on it. It's like $7,800. It's so cool though. I love this thing. I want that in the backyard. Will you pay $70? Like $8,000 for me to have that in the yard? You gonna load it? I'm really asking for a lot here, aren't I?
It comes apart.
I bet it's still heavy.
I bet it's each piece.
It reminds me like of the old horror movies, you know? So cool. But anyway, this is where we're going. Antique Gallery in Warson, Missouri. Warson Woods, Missouri. There's so many different sections. It's so hard to be in St. Louis. I think there's 5 addresses in St. Louis. I say that all the time, but anyway, this is in Woods.
Warson Woods.
I just got it all mixed. Warson Woods. Never mind. Let's just go into it. Yeah, it's in St. Louis, and we're going into the antique mall. Look, I'm waving at him. Hi, and there's probably somebody on the other side of the window going, what is she waving at us for? It like spot on to the dog. I don't know why.
Thank you.
But it's just walk straight to the dog. Chalk. He's cute. Pretty. Very, very pretty stuff. I like that. Pretty picture. Make it merry. I love how they got it all decorated. So pretty. I like those eggs in the nest pictures. I love those dogs up there. Ooh, that's pretty. But the little kittens and dogs tug war, I love that so much.
That's funny.
That is pretty. So cool. Oh, look at that. So ends another busy day. Topi and Gal wish you a good night. I don't know, it must be from like an old comic strip or something. Oh, I love her with the lambs. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I can't get it out, but I love it. What is it, 56? Oh gosh, so gorgeous. You look at it and you say 1920s.
Yeah, so it's early 1900s.
It's the colors and everything. I want to see the back. Old. Everything about it says old. It's gorgeous. Love it. This one cracks me up. Little kitten school. So cute. 110 for collie. It's really neat. It's brass. This one's set up like a library, and that's really neat. I like that cabinet.
Oh yeah.
Look at these old pictures though. That one's pretty. The dog, that's pretty. Those are all real too.
This place is kind of like a dog.
Still reminds me that every time I see one of those hunting dog pictures, it reminds me of my grandpa's studio, because he had all those there. He was a big bird hunter. This is a really pretty antique stool. This is cute little bookend. Look at that one, isn't that pretty? I like that picture up there too. That's gorgeous with the sailboats.
Yes.
Oh man, there's so many pictures in here. Look at this giant sailboat. Huh. That's really pretty.
Yeah.
How much is that?
800.
Is that all? Okay. No, I think I might have to pass on it, but I really like it. Just make a note of that. I really like it, but I'm going to pass on it.
Mental.
Yeah, mental. We'll leave it there. Interesting. So this one is $2,850. It's from 1969. Big, gorgeous. Your dad like that?
Yeah.
Man,
It's a Mercury.
they're huge.
Pendulum to Mercury.
Wow. This is Blackbird Grove. Oh, look at this. This place has got me into the pictures. That one's $145. It's vintage mountain singing oil on canvas. It's gorgeous. Pretty. $365. Look at that. Oh, I got my finger in the way. It's pretty. Here's another one that's really pretty. The old frame is chipping. It's $295. The blue plates are pretty. Oh wow, it's one of those potted meat ones.
Yeah.
It's $40. English advertising part. I wonder if that's really old.
I think so.
It's always hard to tell.
Yeah.
It's cool though.
No doubt.
This old needlepoint, isn't that gorgeous? Pretty pretty. How much?
165.
It's not real bad for that shelf. It's gorgeous. I love the round painting, and I love this one. It's like a winter city scene in the gold frame. It's just to die for. Every inch of this looks so pretty. The way, look how they got this set up. It's so pretty. Hello, it's me. Hello. But that is so pretty. These are pretty. Look at this picture. We got on this one English water something potter's picture. Man, look at that. Oh gosh, it's so pretty. I gotta see if there's any marks on it, hopefully without breaking it. Yep. Oh yeah, it says, oh, this is what it says, waterlog potteries. I never heard of that one, but it is just beautiful. Some needlepoint, 110. Now, Pat, it says, look, but don't touch. So just remember that. Look, but don't touch.
Try.
Okay. It's hard, but we will behave.
That's really pretty. That's really pretty.
Oh, man. Oh, look at that one.
Yeah.
Even those are pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. $7.50. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, man.
I like how the light is coming through.
Oh, my gosh, that's amazing. $625. That's amazing. I love it. They got these gorgeous mirrors. 210. And then this one is 525. Oh my gosh. And I have to always be in there. And I like need to cut back on the fried fish tacos, eh? Whoa, look at this. It's 1,175. Oh, so pretty. That is glass, isn't it? Oh my gosh. Or is it plastic? No, it's actually plastic. It is lucite. Ice bucket. That's definitely mid-century Art Deco look to me. More Art Deco than mid-century, but it's $195. It's really pretty. I don't even need to say anything. You know. I know. That's gorgeous. You don't see these very often. This one is a velvet cat, $38, and this is actually Victorian. Isn't it cool? A lot of work went into him. It's $1,450. Early two-piece cupboard. East Coast, probably Pennsylvania. It does kind of have a Pennsylvania look about it, don't it? Oof. Love the color though. This is kind of a color I want for a hutch. Very pretty. Ooh, that's so pretty.
I love the
I know.
dial.
And this one is European 17th, 18th century clock. Not working, $625. And I know who could make that clock work.
Mm-hmm.
His dad. The pink flamingo. Oh, they are normally pink. But anyway. That is very Art Deco. And the reflection in it, she's a little wide. But that is very Art Deco. Ooh, fancy. Don't you wish our house looked this fancy? It could be. For the price of whatever all this stuff cost. Which is way more than we can afford. So you have to stick with what we got. Sorry. It's a little more nautical than I like anyway. It's pretty. Look at this thing. Look at the swan. Go sugar coat, $220. Nice one. I actually have this plate. They want $35 for it. I actually got mine free at a church sale. These are really pretty.
Yeah, that's what I was just saying.
Very, very pretty. Well, you have a good eye for art, mister. That's pretty. This is throw everything in it room. A little bit of everything. I like that. I like all the art and stuff piled up and things like that. I need to do that more in our booth. I just think it's so cool to go through art, and I think people like doing that too. Don't you, Pat? Like looking to see what they've got. What What all do they have? It's so cool. It's not really my kind of art.
No.
No, it just looks like somebody's booty. You know what I mean? Sketch outline of somebody's booty, looking back at the booty going, my booty's too big, I've had way too many fish tacos. That's what she's thinking. Wow. 425. I figured it'd be higher than that. Isn't that pretty? It's huge. Look at this. Look at the size of it. It's big. If you have your own artwork, they can frame it for you. Look at this. Holy smoke. That's more than Michael's has. I don't think Michael's does it. Hobby Lobby's does, and Joann's used to, but they don't anymore. I don't know why, but this place and the picture up there on the wall reminds me of the Gilded Age show. Doesn't it remind you of that, you know? The guy with the beard, I guess, the whole thing. I don't know. Lucky. Look at the giant clock. It's gorgeous. Look at that frame. Look at that frame. Oh, that is cool. I like that picture.
Yeah, the picture's a lot cheaper than the Atlas clock.
Just a tad bit. The clock's $1,200 and $145 for the picture. I can't afford either one, so it doesn't really matter. Look at the little gingerbread man. I don't know why, I just thought you'd want to look at him. Oh, can they see in the kaleidoscope? They can. Look at that, guys. Isn't that cool? That's the two mirrors that I wanted Pat to buy me. And then I want him to buy me, not that art, because I don't really care for that guy. He's kind of ugly, but a really pretty piece of art in it. But first, he's going to have to build me a wall to put them on. And he's like totally ignoring me. Can't ask him any kind of favors. This is pretty. 110. Oh, wow. It looks wood. You gotta love her. She's so pretty. Look at that stuff. Like, look at that mirror. It's like silver screen kind of thing. And then you look at these guys and go, whoa, look at those expressions. Imagine having those hanging on your wall, like above your staircase. You're walking up your staircase and you're looking into that face. And you come down and you're looking into this face. Just a thought. That. So pretty. This is so pretty the way they did it. It's like an old candle holder, you know, like a candelabra, I guess you call it, or whatever. But they just hung, instead of prisms, they hung ornaments on it. And I love that idea so much. I get so jealous of people that are way more creative and smarter than me, because that is a great idea. Love it. I think I've passed something up similar to that at a flea market or a thrift store before that now I'm kicking myself because I didn't get it. So it's a cool idea.
Beautiful secretary.
Gorgeous secretary. Great idea. Oh, I want this. Just not the price tag that goes with it. $75? Actually, may not be that bad for that basket. It's very old. $45 for that one. I wanted this for a work table, but it's kind of expensive for me at $895. The primitive look here. Very pretty. I like it. They even got a buttocks, called buttocks basket there. And then you go up here and it's very MCM. Very mid-century modern look. Totally different.